Good day, guys. My name is Hennes Gabriel, and you're welcome to OBS Tech TV. So, in this video, I'll be teaching you how you can publish your application on Google Play Store by your own self without the help of anybody. Simple and easy. Yeah, how to publish it. As you can see, this game is already on Play Store, as you can see, and it got 100k download without showing advertisements on this game. It's just from Play Store because I actually run the app search optimization, which is the ASO tool, and because of that, gets a lot of download from this application. As you can see, it's 100k download. So I'm going to show you right now how to get it. So, not wasting too much time, let us just dive into Google Console, because we need a Google Console account to be doing this. Yeah. So as you can see, this Google Console, Google Play Console. How to get it, I'll put a link in the description below. If you click it to take it to Google Console, but Google Console requires you to get the account with a $25. Yeah, you actually need $25 to get Google Console account, and I would think that will be up to about $10, $5, like 30,000 or 12,500 as at now in Naira if you're in Nigeria. Yeah, so you need actually 12,500 to 13,000 approximately to get this account. So you can actually do this thing for yourself. Yeah, because getting others to publish for you, the thing is that one of the issues is that if the people got a lot of violation and their Google Console account is being terminated, you're going to lose all your application. That's number one. Yeah, and number two, nobody will charge you a low fee less than 5,000 naira to publish an application for you. Everybody will be more than 5,000, and you can see 5,000 times 2 is already 10,000. 15,000. So you paying that person to publish your app 3 times, you actually get a Google Console account for yourself. And if you want to really do Admob of a thing, you need a Google Console account for yourself. That's the very true part. Anybody that want to do this, I can say that somebody paid over 50 something thousand naira to create an app for he or she, 50 something thousand naira, but cannot get 12 to 30,000 naira for a Google Console account. You see, that's the issue we're having here. So the best thing, if you are serious in this business, to have a Google Console account for your own self. You understand? Because now you've learned how to create app, and now you should be able to publish this app for your own self. Google Console is not scam, but some people told that they have issue in creating this account, so I'll be discussing that part at the end of this video. So do well to watch this video from the start to the end so that you have no issue getting your account. But just follow the step first and see how easy it is to publish your app without somebody helping you and collecting a lot of money from you. So first of all, just click on this create button. As you can see in the top, create application. So once you click on create app, follow me step by step in this video. The app name, I'll be publishing the Tunnel Rush. Yeah, Tunnel Rush app. Then you click on it's a gaming app. You know, it's a game. It's on a rush. The game is free because I don't want to add in-app purchases to my application. So this thing is free. You don't have to pay to get the app. The declaration, you have to read and confirm this thing. Make sure you read it, because that's one of the issue with most people in Nigeria. They don't read. They just accept. Read the policy before you accept it. I've already read it and I agree to it. So the next thing is to click on create this app button at the down button. Yes, it's okay. Let me check if I can move this thing. Okay, yeah, it's here. The create app button. So click on create app. Then just wait. One thing I love about this Google Console account is that it's very easy to publish app without stress. Yeah, very easy to publish app. That's one of the highest platform I've been using to publish app. Even I try a lot of app stores, but this Google Console account is one of the easiest. Even though you have to agree to most policy, but it's still the easiest and the fastest to get your app published, and it's going to give you more income because it's taking your app to billions of people. Understand? So once you get your app done like this, it'll take you to the dashboard like this. So scroll just scroll to this set up your app. So once you see this set app button at this part here, yeah, set app button, click on this view tags like this. So you have to answer all these questions from this part down to this part. Yeah, you have to answer all these questions. It's like a question. They want to know more about your app. You tell them more about this application. So the first one here is app access, which is to be this very one at the top, app access. So click on app access. Click on app access. Then they say if parts of your app are restricted based on login credential, membership, location, other form of authentication, provide instruction how to access them. Make sure that this information is kept up to date. Google may use this information to review your app. It won't be shared or used for any other reason. So the first part is all functionalities available without special access, and the other one is all or some functionalities restricted. Like if you have app login, you understand, login where someone will log in with Gmail and phone numbers, yeah, or use a Facebook login or their Instagram login. That's when you put in this number 2, which says all or some functionality restricted. But if you don't have any login, it's just a free app like some of these gaming apps. You just open it and start playing without logins, then you click on this first one. So I'm using the first one because my app don't have login that I'm going to publish. So I click this one and I click on save. Then you click this top button here that says dashboard, then take you back to the dashboard. So we'll take you back to the dashboard. Okay, just wait, it's loading. Okay, as you can see, number 1 is being completed. Number 2 here, which says it's ads. So click on ads. Yeah, so let us know whether your app contains ads, that's advertisements. This includes aid delivery by third-party network. Make sure that this information is accurate and is kept up to date. And to use this application, we're actually going to put an Admob. And Admob is actually a type of aid. So just click on yes, my app contains aids. And if your app don't contain aids, to click on. But any application you create through app creator 24, there is always aid, because even them themselves in the app creator 24, they are going to put in some of their own aid, you understand, without your own permission, you understand. So there's always aid. So once you use app creator 24 to create an app, always put yes, my app contains aid. So save it, go back to dashboard. So it's loading. Scroll down again, then content rating. So you have to show content rating, and this rating is being rated by IARC. So review rating of your app from official rating authorities. So you are going to rate your app. This is not from Google Play Console. This is from IARC that's going to rate it. So they need some questions. They need to ask you some questions so that they're going to see what type of app you're really going to publish. So click on start questionnaire. So just wait, it's loading. So they will ask you for your Gmail account, and I'll put like OBM Tech 2020. Then it's a game application because it's the categories. The first one, game application. This app is a game or betting app. Example includes Candy Crush Saga, Temple Run, Mario Skate, The Sim, Angry Birds, casino games, or a lot. The second part is social media communication. If you're using a chatting app, okay, like Facebook, Twitter, Skype, SMS. The third one is all type of app that are not game or are not social networking. For example, you have a news app, live app, streaming app, and the rest of apps. So I'm actually going to go for the game app. So once I click on the game now, click on the next button. Yes, bounty. Then number two here, they wanna ask you some questions. The first one is violence or blood. Does this your game have violence or blood? No. Does this game have fear? No. Sexuality? No. Is your game stimulated for gambling, re-gambling, or cash payouts? No. What language is your game? Does this game contain any potentially offensive language? No. So please note that this question does not locate to user-generated content. Control such substance. Does the game contain any reference to any use of drug, alcohol, tobacco? No. Crude armor. Does this game contain any bodily functions such as bleaching? No. Maliciousness. Does this game natively allow users to interact or exchange content? No. Does this game share the user current physical location with each other? No. Does this game allow users to purchase digital goods? No. Does this game contain any sweat stickers or Nazi symbol? No. Does this game contain any content that can erode the national identity of the South Korea? No. Does this game contain any description of? No. Does this game advocate committing acts of terrorism? No. So once you click on, like all my answer here right now is no. So click on the save button. There's a save button right here. Oh, sorry. Okay, right here as you can see. So click on save. So submitting, questionnaire save, then next. So it's loading. Then you have to submit it. Submit. Make sure those content is accurate. So when you click on submit, go back to dashboard. It's in dashboard now. You just wait, it's loading. Then the next one is the targeted audience, which is number 3. So what age group do you want to use this application? Actually click for 13 to 15, 17, 16, 17 and 18 and above. And once I click on the 13 to 15, they will say policy requirement summary. Just click on the next button at the down part. Then appeal to children. You say, could your store lasting unintentionally appeal to children? Yes, this note designed for children label may be shown next to your app. But if you click on no, you say if Google disagree with your answer, you won't be able to update this app. So just click on yes so that they choose for themselves what to do. Then go. Then click on save. Go back to dashboard. So the fourth part here is the news application. So click on news app. News app. Say is your app a news app? No. Just click on no. Because if you click on yes, actually maybe your app is a news app, they will ask you for some politics and those stuff. So my app is not a news app, it's a gaming application. So I click on no, then save. Go back to dashboard again. So that we can go on with the next question. And make sure this information you're putting in here is accurate. It's a COVID-19 contact tracing and status app. So I'll take the third one. My app is not publicly available for COVID-19 contact tracing or status app. Click on save. Then go back to dashboard. Go back to dashboard. Scroll, then data safety. Data safety. So I will show you this data safety, and this one part of the publishing of application that really gets some users accounts disabled and the rest stuff, because this data policy is not correct. So just be patient with this part and follow my step on how to answer this part. So I've already answered this part before. Let me check if I can get it for exports. import from CCV. Yes, let me check if I can get it. Close 5, download this it here, so I click on it. Let me check if it's going to work out. I can show you guys the answer. Then import. This import part you don't really need it because I've already answered the question before and save it, so that next time I want to answer it, it's going to be here. So first of all, when you are going to do it, you yourself have to answer the question following the step that I'm going to show now before you can import it to your CSV. Reported, okay. Cancel here. So as you can see, it says, does your app collect or share any of the required user data? Yes. You click on yes. Is all of the users data collected by your app and created in transcript? Yes. Do you provide any way for user to request that their data is deleted? No. Click on the no, then click on next. Then here it will ask you select all the user data collected or shared by your app, the content that is being shared. I use the last one, which is the ID of others, because when Google put in A, they are going to take the IDs of these people. You understand? That's why I put in this last part, ID. So when you click on it, click on device or others ID, click on next, then completed, then still next, then so to submit, provide a link to there's a privacy policy link. So as to get your privacy policy link, you can actually get it from your app creator 24. So let me show you an example. So when you get to your app creator 24, you click on this general information, then click on this general. So when you click on general, at this part here, you will see privacy policy. This very part here, see privacy policy, then you see web address. So copy that web address, copy it right now. As you can see, copy that web address, copy, then go back to your click on go to privacy policy. Say any share that you have shared with this will be discarded here. So just leave it so that you upload this one first. So I'll come back, then click on paste, then save, then click the back button. So it's loading. Make sure you copy the right address from your app creator 24. Start the application. So we have not saved this part because of that policy, so we are going to answer these questions again. So import from CSV back, because I've already answered them before, as you can see. Then take down, then click on data safety. Import. Okay, cancel. The answer already imported. So as you can see, it's the same thing. You have already answered them back. So click on next, click on next, click on next, and now you can see that my privacy policy link URL is here now. As you can see, it's there. So once you reach this part in your app, so you can just click on this export to CSV, so that next time you can also import it back, so that the answer will just be the same. You understand? So you can click on that export to CSV. So then you click on save button, then your change has been saved. Then click on back to dashboard at the top part. Click on back to dashboard. So this is the dashboard loading. So we answer the first part of the questions. It's very easy, as you can see. So the next part is to manage how your app is organized and presented. How your app is organized and presented. So select an app categories and provide content details. So click on it. What is your app categories? That's what they're going to ask you in this very part. So normally it's already a gaming application. Yeah, you can change it to an app, but since it's a game, leave it as a game. What category is your gaming app? Is it action, adventure, Tunnel Rush, arcade, ball card, casino, education, racing? Tunnel Rush is actually racing, so let me put this on racing or sports. Okay, racing. Then they will ask you for your email address, so just put OPM Tech 2020. Then leave the phone number. You can put it if you want. You can put a URL website if you want for now, because you can update that part later on. So just put in your Gmail, then click on the save button. And this Gmail you put in must be active, because that's where they are going to be sending you a message and updates about your application. Click on the back button. And the next part, okay, just wait, let it load up. So the next part is set up your store listing. Set up your store listing. Your store listing. Yeah. So this is the description of your application. So my short description, I'll put Tunnel Rush gaming application. Please, there are some words you cannot use in this very part. There are some words you cannot use in this very part. So it says check the meta. This way I'm reading right now. This way I'm reading right now, as you can see. So that is the link to the policy program. Please click and read it before you answer this part. But I can just give you some hints. You cannot put like pricing, you understand? Pricing like how can put the best Tunnel Rush. You cannot put it here. They're not going to approve the application. Or for example, 1000 or those kind of stuff that include pricing, rating, all those kind of stuff. You don't need it here. So the short description, the long description, put it here. But please don't go and copy someone's description for Playstore. Probably going to ban your application. Let's recheck your application. So Tunnel Rush gaming application, or I can put a application played by users and loved by players. Give it like that. Then the graphics, the app icon, that's 512 icon we use at first. Okay, sorry, it's not here, it's the other video I did that. So you're going to edit your picture to fit in this very part. I use iconic. I said it in my other video, I use it. So I already got this screenshots and everything. So this first one is the icon. As you can see here, it says 512 by 512 px. Okay, then the second one is the graphics image. As you can see, that one here, it said 1024 ps by 500 px. If you want a YouTube video, if you have one, you can put it. Then the screenshots have different sizes of pictures, so let me upload them now. As you can see, so this first part is the icon, so I'll click on it, click on download. So this is the image here. This very first one here, it's already on 512 by 512. I edited the picture, so you can edit just using iconic. So click on it. So just wait for it to load up and let us see that it's set up. Wow, they accepted it. If it's not the size, we will not accept it here. We should not accept it. So they accepted it, so it's 512 by 512. Then the next one is the graphics image. So click on send the download button. So how can I get this graphics image? Okay, so this is the picture here. Okay, I've already edited it, so click on it. Let's hope it's going to work out. Okay, just wait, it's loading while they accepted it too. Okay, so the next part is the screenshots. Click on upload. So you have to get screenshot of the application. So I'm actually using Tornado, so let me check the screenshot that will fit in that part. Okay, you choose the proper screenshot of the application, and you can take up to 8, yeah, up to 8 of it. So I'll use this one, and I'll click on an open button on the top part. So I'll click on that open button. So just wait, it should load. Let's see if they are going to accept it. Because at the down part it says upload 2 to 8 phone screenshots. Screenshots must be PNG or JPG. Upload to 8 MB, and let's see if they upload it. So let me show you the preview again. Okay, once you put the name of the app, the short description, the full description, the app icon, the feature graphics, then the phone screenshots, then just click on the save button. Click on the save button and click on back. Click on back. As you can see, the tunnel rush and the icon is already showing here in our dashboard. That's to show in the right way. Yeah, so click down, then click on, don't click on this release your app to testing. If you're going to test your app, you do that. So I don't use that. I use publish your app to Google Play Store. As you can see right here, publish your app on Google Play. So click on the task. The first one is to select country or regions. So select country or regions. Just wait, it's loading up. Then at this down part, I see add countries/region. Okay, yeah. So this different country you can add up to whether 199 countries. Okay, let me just click country and regions at the first part, that first one here. So okay, 179 countries, region, rest of the world are added. So just add the whole world now. I'll click on add countries and regions. So has the countries and regions. No country and region added. Why? Okay, I cancel it. Okay, so let us just do it again. So we have added them successfully. As you can see, it's available, and the rest. Then you click on this top part that say create new release. So when you click on new release, it's going to go to a part where we ask you to upload an AAB file, the Android app bundle file, as we are going to show you right now. Oh, it's loading, and as you can see, it will say upload an ABB file. So first of all, we can get this our ABB file. Just to follow my steps, go back to your app creator 24. So this is our app creator 24 where we create this Tornado Rush application. Yeah, so click on this this name and icon at the first part. Name and icon, then okay, in this pick, we'll just leave it to Tornado Rush. Okay, let me just add something here. This is the package name. Yeah, the package name, and this is your package name. One thing is that it must not be similar to any package name at Play Store. You understand? Yeah, it must not be similar to any package name on Play Store already. So that's it. And now we need to add our Android app Admob app ID, yeah, which I added before. Okay, that's it. Then there's two parts of this down you must listen to now. This first part says as this one says generate only APK. The second part says generate APK and ABB. That's the part you'll be clicking, APK and ABB, because that is the ABB that you're going to publish, the Android app bundle that you're going to publish. So once you are here now, just click on the save button. Then it say when you change the name of the icon, it's going to take 2 minutes. Okay, click on OK. So it takes 2 minutes for it to be active. So as you can see, this app has been put to be downloaded, as you can see. So you can download the two parts. This first part here, as you see here, is actually the APK file. So if you want to install it on your phone, you understand it's the APK file you download. But this down part here is the ABB file. That's the part we published, you understand. So click on the download ABB file at the down part. So it's downloading. Let us check the details. As you can see, okay, downloading. So it has been downloaded, so just remain it so that you will not have issue finding it. So I will name it Tunnel Rush, save it. Then I'll go back to the Chrome browser where I use our Play Console account. So now we should just upload it. Click on upload there, then click on download button, and okay, take us to download. Then this is the Tunnel Rush application. This how the ABB file look like, the Tunnel Rush application. So click on the file. It actually takes some time though to upload, up to about 3 to 5 minutes, depending on your network usage. Understand? So now the app has been successfully uploaded. Take up to about 5 minutes, I think. Yeah. So click on the save button at this down part. This down part is the save button there. Yeah, so click on the save button. Click on save. So once you click on the save button, save. So it's going to save the file you just uploaded, the app Android app bundle, which is the ABB file just uploaded. Then click on review release, which is the next one. So once you review release, they will ask you that to tell you that there's a warning. You click on it that the Android app bundle contain native code and you've not uploaded the double symbol. I recommend that you upload that. Just leave that part. It's not really necessary to be putting. And click on this rollout. This rollout button here. Start rollout to production. Then rollout to production. So when you click on rollout to production, let us check. Wow. Say your app is released and under review. So successfully we have published the application and this app has been under review, as you can see. Your app has been under review, as you can see here. So successfully. So let me check it now to see if our app is really under review. So as you can see here, this is the application. This one, Tunnel Rush. I can see how the down feeding. Let's just click on it. Click on it. It will tell you that the application is speeding. At this part here, it's speeding. And normally, Google Console tell you that it take up to less than 5 days to get your app published. So it take less than 5 days for your app to be published, but in real case it's 7 days. But normally it take 2 days. If it's your first app, it will take up to 5 days for sure. But after you publish more 2 days, your app will be live on Google Play Store. So this is how to publish your application on Google Play Store. But for those that have issue getting Google Console account, if you have issue getting Google Console account, it's very simple. You get in your MasterCard from any of your bank, you understand? Click on sign in, then find the Google Console. Just put in your login details, then click collected. Please don't use a visual card. If you use a visual card, they are going to ask you for a proof of identity, like a national identity card, NIN, or those kind of cards. You understand? So some people don't have those cards yet, and if it's issued to verify their account, but not all time they are going to ask you for this account. If you use a normal card, not a visual card, they are not going to ask you. But if you use a visual card, they are really going to ask you for this. So this is how you can publish your app on Playstore, and I hope this video was really helpful to you guys. If you love this video, please do it to subscribe, like, and share this video. Give on a comment button, and thanks for viewing this video. See you next time. Bye.